Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. Today we have done some problems from circle geometry part for the second semester, which is going to be held in the final term. Just follow me. I am doing the problems. The first problem, two concentric circles. This is one and that is one. Their center is same. So their concentric circle have radii 10 centimeter and 17 centimeter. This OA equal to 17 centimeter and OP equal to 10 centimeter. Find the length of AP, this AP, if the length of the perpendicular from the center to PQ be 8 centimeter. The perpendicular from O, that is center, to the PQ, that means this chord, it is 8 centimeter and O is the center. To have to find out the length AP, A to P, this part. The solution is that we have to construct AO and OP are joined. AO and OP are joined. These are joined. And perpendicular is given OM, which is aim is 8 centimeter. OM is the perpendicular. OM is equal OM and PQ equal to OM perpendicular PQ, which is 8 centimeter. Now AM, since triangle OAM and OPM are right angle triangle, therefore AM equal to OA square minus OM square, that is 17 square minus 8 square, and it is AM equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly, PM equal to OP square minus OM square, OP equal to 10 centimeter square and OM equal to 8 centimeter, and the result is 6 centimeter. Therefore AP equal to AM minus PM, AM minus PM equal to 9 centimeter. This is answer. Second problem, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. O is the center and AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter. A circle is described on OA as diameter. This is also one circle on OA. This is OA is the diameter of this circle. AE is a core of longer circle. The part AE, it is the chord of the longer circle, larger circle, and intersect the smaller circle at B. This circle with center with AO as diameter intersect AE at B. We have to prove that AB equal to B, AB equal to B. We have to join as construction OB, this OB and CE we have joined. Now then proof. Angle AOB equal to 90 degree and angle AEC on 90 degree, because these are the semicircular part. This is semicircular part. Similarly, this is also semicircular part. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree as because semicircular angle is 90 degree. These are 90 degree. And angle ABO equal to angle AEC. This is therefore this angle equal to this angle. They are corresponding angle. Therefore BO is parallel to CE. OB equal to parallel to CD. But AO equal to OC, as AC is diameter and O is the center. Therefore AB equal to B according to the midpoint theorem. This is proved. Next question number 3. This AB and CD are two equal chord. These two are equal chords. Equal chords of a circle with center O. If AB and CD on being produced meet at P outside the circle. These are outside the circle. When A, B and C, E, C, D, A, B and C, D are produced, they meet at P, which is outside the circle. We have to prove that PA equal to PC, PA equal to PC and PB equal to PD. Very easy. At first we have to construct. We have drawn OM perpendicular AB. This is OM perpendicular and ON are also perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. And AC is joined. AC is joined. OP is also joined. OP is also joined. Here it is not written, but we have to join OP are joined. OP are joined. Now, in triangle POM and PON, OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON, because these are equal chords, therefore they are equidistant from the center. Equal chords, therefore AB equal to CD, therefore OM equal to ON. As such, OB equal to AB equal to CD, the chords are equal, therefore the distance from the center OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON. Again angle OMP equal to ONP. These are right angle, therefore they are equal by construction, and OP is hypotenuse which is common to both, therefore triangle POM is congruent to triangle PON according to RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Therefore PM equal to PN. As such, these are PM equal to PM. This is corresponding side. These are corresponding sides. Again, half of AB equal to half of CD, because AB equal to CD, that is AM equal to CN, AM equal to CN. Now PM plus AM, PM plus AM equal to PA and PN plus CN equal to PC. They will be equal. This is proof number 1. And again, PA, we have seen that PA equal to PC and PA minus AB equal to PC minus CD, because AB equal to CD, since AB equal to CD, therefore PB equal to PD. This second number is also proved. Dear students, if you have got any problem with this circle part in geometry or anything, anywhere, for the second semester, you can put the problem in my comment box and it will be solved very quickly. That's all to you.